is the Chi, the original. It is the 1-inch plate, very easy to use. It only has one switch, the on and off button. It heats up to 392 degrees. Oil is so necessary to keep this blonde hair, so I put half of my head and down. I just kind of run my fingers down for as much as I can. Meanwhile, I divide all the hair in half to the sides. It heats up real quick, so I like to take the